Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. Right now I'm sitting inside a 2024 Volkswagen Golf Type R. It's a fun vehicle, but in this video we're not going to focus so much on the fun aspect of it, more on the settings aspect of it, and I'm going to show you how to adjust all kinds of settings, like your light settings, your interior settings, and things like that. It's really easy, but it can be a little bit confusing to get to, but the system responds really well, and once you figure it out, it's actually quite nice. So let's jump right in. This is our main home screen, and when you go from this screen, you can see this little blue square. I'm going to press that, and you can actually see it detects when your finger is near, but you're going to go to Vehicle, and you're going to see the Volkswagen Golf pop up here, and then you can see it's either interior or exterior. The touchscreen is fabulous on this thing. Then let's just go to exterior lighting. Duration of exit lighting, they're going to stay on for 10 seconds, and that allows me 10 seconds to maybe get into the house or just for everything to be lit up. I like it a little bit longer than that. Duration of entry lighting, let's go 20 seconds on that as well, and then that saves it automatically. And then I can just go to mirrors. Do I want them to lower whenever I'm in reverse? In other words, the mirrors will tilt back whenever I put it in reverse, and I like that feature. Fold in when locking, the mirrors will literally just fold in close to the body of the vehicle. I like that as well. And look, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you see the little vehicle right there. Watch when my hand gets close to the screen. Isn't that neat? So it senses whenever I'm getting close to it. So I'm going to back up, and then I'm going to go headlights, turn on time. And this turn on time means early, late, and medium, but that means as the sun is going down. So I like medium. So when it senses there's not as much light and the headlights are set to automatic, then they'll turn on automatically. Automatic headlight control during rain, yes, we want that. And then convenience turn signals, yes, we want that as well. And then let's go tires, and tire pressure set, speed warning at 20, and I do not have winter tires, so we want speed warning there as well. And then you can see down here there are multiple pages, so I can go exterior, I can swipe, and then I can go brakes. That is ESC, that's a safety system that is activated. We definitely want that. And then I'm going to swipe it again. Central locking. And so you can see, ooh, I like that. Unlock when you're approaching the vehicle with the key fob on your person, absolutely. And I want it to, I personally, if this were my vehicle, I would want it to unlock single door, and that's going to be the driver's door. And then it gives me a confirmation tone. So now it's set to automatically unlock when I approach the vehicle with the key fob on my person. Window, convenience opening, we can just leave that off. And then wipers and service position. That's pretty cool. See that? When I hit service position, look what happened. This is so cool. The wipers went up, so that all I need to do is then pull them back, and I can replace the windshield wipers right there. And then I'm going to press service position again, and they went right down. That is a great feature, Volkswagen. I love that. So that's how you do service position. And then wipers, automatic during rain, yes. Wipe rear window in reverse, I love that feature. And then we don't need the wipers in the service position anymore. Now that's all exterior. Here's interior. Heads up display, active. It is on right now. I can see it right now. I can adjust the position, and this is going to move it up or down. See that? And then it's actually set to miles per hour, not kilometers per hour right now. So this is how you can adjust the different things of your heads up display, even the color. Oh man, that is just so cool. All of this is on right now, so it's going to show navigation stuff in there as well. Cockpit, eco tips. Yeah, let's have it display eco tips as well, so I can get the best fuel economy. And then can go back, and then interior lighting. This is really neat. I like the lighting nice and bright, and design dark. Let's go design bright. Woo! I see. Let's say design dark. I like that better. And so then seats. Driver's seat, easy entry. The seat will move back when the doors unlock. So that's a brief overview. Nope. So that's an overview of the exterior and the interior features of your Volkswagen. What a neat system. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.